Hello all stars and YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another box opening for you. It is the 2024 Panini National Treasures Baseball. So what we can expect out of this box is there's one pack, there'll be 10 cards, and we should be looking for a total of 8 autos or memorabilia cards. So before we start, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you like what you see, every time we upload a new box opening video, you'll be notified. Let's go. So, baseball Panini, they don't have the logos, but they do have a great autograph list. So, Jackson Merrill's in here as a rookie, Bobby Witt, Aaron Judge, Albert Pujols, Bo Jackson, Cal Ripken. So hopefully we can pull. Oh wow, pretty thick box there. National Treasures. They do have booklets. Maybe we'll get lucky. Let's get into this box. It's in there tight. Get our little screen set up here. Yeah, that's everything. Okay. So, 10 cards. 8 autos or mems. Start with card number 1 right off the top. National Treasures. Christian Waldrep. Yeah, there we go. Out of 99. Rookie card. That's what the design looks like this year. Again, pretty familiar. The National Treasures design. Card number 1. Card number 2 should be an insert parallel base or numbered card. And it is. Deion Sanders. Out of 75. Boy, he's been in the news a lot lately. Him and his son Chourio. So the hits. Card number 3. Okay, triple patch card. Dalton Rushing. That is out of 56. And the enclosed authentic memorabilia is not from any specific game or event. So non-game used. Not from an event. Don't even know if it's player worn. That's Panini these days. Card number 4. Another mem card. Connor Norby. Out of 99. Rookie. Not from any specific game or event again. Okay. Another triple patch. Ronnie Mauricio. This one is out of 99, so that's a rookie. Looks a little, got a little white corner down there maybe. Not from any specific game or event. Oh wow, that's a really thick card. So what we'll do is that one. So we'll set it back there. Okay, our first auto of the box. Harry Ford, rookie. And this one is numbered out of 99, 65 out of 99. Here's our first auto of the box. Next card, kind of thick as well. Okay, so this is designed similar to Boys of Summer. Lazaro Montez, numbered out of 75. Autograph's a little low there. How many do we have here? We've got the big one. 2 more, so we have 3 cards left. Oh wow, sick patch. Tommy Troy. for the Diamondbacks, home team. Nice. Out of 10. Number 6 out of 10. Wow. Game used. Let's see. Memorabilia is not from any specific game or event, but the autograph is at least guaranteed. On card. Out of 10. Arizona Diamondbacks, Tommy Troy. 2 more. This card here, and then that big fat one. Patch auto, Brandon Maya, out of 99. Another prospect. Yeah. Some issues, but these boxes travel. Not from any specific game or event. Okay, last card. This one is really thick. And it's, ooh, just opened. Uh-oh. Legendary Materials. Out of 35, Willie McCovey. Nice. Is it autographed? No auto. Looks like a bat. Dual bat. Willie McCovey. Number 12 out of 35. So we did get a booklet. Would have been nice to have an autograph with this booklet, but hey, we'll take it. So put in the comments below what you think of 2024 Baseball National Treasure. Let us know. And make sure you like and subscribe again. Also, check out our Whatnot channel, QR code up in the upper right corner. If you don't have a Whatnot account, go ahead and sign up. And when you do, you get $15 off your first purchase. And then you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And that's another box opening with All-Star Sports Cards. Appreciate it. Thank you.